are a college prep school, so all of our classes are very challenging. So I feel like when I go to that, the next step in my life, I'm going to be prepared.
A lot of people come back and say that the English classes and the math classes, that's the same stuff they're learning in college, and they're the top kids in the class.
Room temperature, which is 22 degrees.
The academics here are very challenging, but if you're ready to do the work and do what is expected, it is a breeze.
You are to work on those this period?
The Chromebooks have completely changed, my high school experience. We do everything from PowerPoints to shared documents, so we're all typing on the same thing.
We believe that going forward, they are better prepared for not only their future years in high school, but also moving on to college and then into the real world.
Well, I know our school motto is learn, grow, and belong. So everybody has that chance to learn at their own level and their pace.
For the people that really want to excel, they have classes for them to really provide them with the education and the opportunity to really go above and beyond what's expected.
I'm taking 4 AP classes next year, so we have lots of opportunities for kids who want to take AP classes and challenge themselves. And then we have basic and academic classes for students who aren't quite up to that level. So anybody can fit in here academically.
They can work around anyone's schedule, really. I mean, it's individually, they sit down with you, here's your schedule, they talk about it with you. I mean, they work around everyone's needs.
In the first 2 weeks, that's the time when all the teachers tell you get comfortable with the class. If you feel like it's too hard or too difficult, they're totally fine with you switching and changing.
Do what I have up there.
Having smaller class sizes, we are able to get personal attention from our teachers, and everyone feels that their needs are met. No one feels that they're left behind.
In math, if you don't get something, you can go up to the teacher and you can say, I don't understand this, can you please help me? And they will help you.
Everything's one-on-one. If I ever have a question or need to say after class, it's something that's just a given.
My teacher always takes time out of her prep periods or periods where she doesn't have any teaching to do, and she'll call me up to her room and she helps me and teaches me more.
All the teachers know you on a first name basis. That's just what makes it, because you're only going to go as far as your teachers let you, and our teachers, with them, the sky's the limit.
There's usually tutor sessions every day run by teachers and older kids. They'll help you with whatever you need, homework, studying habits.
Last year, geometry, I came into the year knowing that it was a tough course, and after I struggled on the first test, I knew that I needed to get help before I got myself in trouble. So, I went and talked to Miss Caves about it, and she told me about the peer tutoring. And it was actually another football player who was, he was a senior and he was smarter. And he worked me through the whole year, and I ended up getting, last 3 quarters I got an A.
Our guidance office, we walk in there, we say, I need this, this, and this, and they have it all for us, and they're already, preparing us for that transition from high school to college.
The teachers and the whole staff and friends and everyone, it makes it fun, and it makes it easier to want to learn and do new things.